My 12-year-old patient asked me an interesting question. Why are some people racist and are their brains wired differently? If so, can't we just chop that bit of the brain out? Now, understanding how racism works in the brain may help us find ways to overcome it. Let's take a look at the neuroscience. Our brains categorize people as similar to or different from ourselves, something called in-group bias, and is quite literally why birds of a feather flock together. Functional MRI shows that part of the brain called the amygdala becomes active when we see someone from a different race. The amygdala is involved in our fight or flight response and can lead to treating that person unfairly because they're subconsciously perceived as a threat. But another part of the brain called the prefrontal cortex is able to calm the amygdala down. This part of the brain is involved in conscious decision making. Have you ever watched a scary movie and wanted to run away, but remember you're safe? This is an example of your amygdala reacting and then your prefrontal cortex calming it down so you can act the way you really want to. This strategy is known as cognitive reappraisal and essentially is a conscious way of being less prejudiced. Studies have shown that in young kids, amygdala doesn't light up when they see someone from another race. Also, older kids who grew up in a multicultural area have less activation of the amygdala, showing that racism is a learned behavior. This discovery is actually good news because it means that we all have the potential to be racist, but also all have the potential to not be and have a society where we can not only coexist, but thrive together as the human race. Follow for more.